In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make $1 million in as little as 90 days with a brand new dropshipping store. And the strategy I'm about to reveal is the same one I've used to scale multiple e-commerce brands to over 7 figures. Just like this store right here, yesterday we've done 27K in revenue. By the end of this video, you'll have the entire blueprint from product research to scaling to over $1 million. So the first thing that we're gonna need to scale to over $1 million is finding the correct product. This is a part of building a store that a lot of people overcomplicate just because you do not need the reinvent the wheel. You don't need the next big product research method. You don't need some untapped website to find products. Everyone uses Calidata. You're just using it wrong. Just because it's popular doesn't mean it's saturated. You're not looking for the next big trend. You're looking for a spike in buyer intent. So hopefully by breaking this down step by step, I'm gonna open your eyes so you can easily find $1 million products without wasting your time. So we're gonna be looking at Calidata for the last 30 days, and I want you to sort for under 200K in revenue because we wanna find products that are fairly untapped. You wanna look for products that solve a problem or a massive insecurity and not some gimmicky product. You also wanna be looking for a big uptrend because that typically means that there's new viral creatives revolving around that product, and you know that creatives are everything in e-com, and it's going to help you scale much easier. Now I actually came across this product right here. It's a pet skin spray, which is mainly for allergies and bumps on their skin, stuff like that. Now the graph does not look crazy, but there is a good amount of revenue. Now once you found a product that solves a problem or insecurity, you want to cross-reference that product to Facebook ad library to check out the competition. For this specific product, I was only able to find 2 to 3 people running that product, so it's a very good sign. I usually typically run products that are under 5 competitors running at once. Now if you do find a product that's over 5 competitors, that's not the end of the world. Just make sure you can differentiate yourself, whether it's in your offer or your angle. But even with the right product that people are willing to buy, you can't just throw up a random store and expect to make $1 million. You have to have a tailored landing page that is congruent to your ads and also has an aggressive offer. So I'm gonna break down exactly what makes a good store so you can edit your theme to attract the ideal customer. So I just made a branded store with that product that I just found on Calidata. I'm gonna be breaking it down and exactly what I did. So going straight into it, we have a pretty branded looking product photo with our logo included onto it. After that, we do have some reviews here for some social proof. Make sure you add a couple thousand reviews into here. I'm gonna go into the offer shortly, but above that, we do have some benefits. You don't want to include features here. You want to include benefits on why they want to buy the product. So for this, we have fast acting relief from itching, gentle and safe for pets, and we also have a guarantee here, see results or your money back. After that, we have a very aggressive offer. This is by far the most important part about your website because if you do not have a good offer, no matter how good the website is, people are not going to buy from your store. And if you have an aggressive offer, Facebook's going to even favor you and give you better metrics. You want to think about your offer like this. Imagine you see a Lamborghini online for 20K. You're going to do everything in your power to get that because you know you're never going to see a deal like that ever again. And that's the same exact concept for our product. So for this specific product, I make sure to have a buy one get one free, a buy 2 get 1 free, and then a buy 3 get 2 free. A very aggressive offer to start with. And then once you reach scale, you can turn that into a more premium offer. Then after that, we have the add a cart button and of course a review here with a collapsible row with the ingredients. After that, we have an image or text talking about the product and a lot of the benefits about it, making sure that whatever is talking in the ad, you want to make sure that's also included on the website. You want to make sure it's congruent to each other. Then after that, we also have another image or text here talking about the gentle care for cuts and scratches. After that, we have 3 testimonials over here. It's very important to add images onto the testimonial, adding some human touch to it. That's essentially the website, and throughout the whole website, we do also have a sticky add a cart. So whenever someone has add a cart, they can do so. Very simple lander, yeah, it's very effective. 2 things to take note about the website is to make sure you have an aggressive offer as well as the copy is congruent to whatever your ads is talking about. Now, if none of this is clicking and you want me to personally help you with these strategies, I have a one-on-one mentorship down below in the description if you're interested. We work together to build a high converting store using systems that me and my students get crazy results with. So if you're interested, click the top link in the description to apply. Your ads are the most important part about e-commerce because if your ads aren't good, no one's even gonna land on your landing page. Your ads are the amplifier, and the best part, you're not even starting from scratch. Using Calidata with the video and ad section, we're able to take videos that perform well on TikTok and bring it over to Facebook ads. All these videos are revenue back, so they already generated sales for people on TikTok Shop, so they typically convert well for Facebook ads. Now you want to take the top 3 to 5 videos from this section right here and we're gonna manually edit it. But if you're not seeing a lot of good content from this section section right here, you can take a look at how to make AI UGC videos, which convert really well. It's on the top over here. Now, once you have the ads downloaded, it's time to manually edit them. All right, so for this clip right here, as you can see, it has a before and after, as well as just someone holding the product. It's not too great of a video, but it does have 2.5 million views and 10K generated. Now, we are gonna tailor this video a lot. We're gonna change a bunch of things up. What I ended up doing is taking the before and after and putting it very close to each other as the hook. And then I just did the product over here. This is just mainly a testimonial video that, the person is talking good about the product and how it benefited her dog. And of course, at the end of the video, I do have a CTA. Make sure you always include a CTA, stating your offer and redirecting the viewer to your website. So that is the video is done. Make sure you make 3 to 5 engaging videos to test. So now that you have the engaging ads ready to go, it's time to launch them on Facebook ads. To start, press create on the top left and press sales, and you want to press continue. For the campaign name, I just simply do the date that you're launching, the campaign type, which you are going to do CBO, campaign budget optimization. One campaign has one budget, and then the product name, which is spray. After that, you want to press campaign budget at the top right here, and then set it to $50. This is how I personally do it. I know people do ASC, ABO, whatever it is. To be honest, the ad strategy does not matter too much. It's more about your creatives. After that, you want to head to the ad set level by pressing next. Make sure you press conversion, location, website, performance goal, maximize the number of conversions, and select the correct data set, which for us is the brand name for Yuka 2. To set the data set, it's very simple. All you do is head over to Shopify, go to the App Store, and download Facebook and Instagram app. From there, you're able to connect your data set, which is very important. You got to make sure you do that every single time. After that, you want to press the conversion event, which is purchase. For budget and schedule, I suggest you launch for midnight for whatever time zone you're launching in. For us, we're going to be launching in US, so you want to select for midnight. You can leave audience by itself as long as you're targeting correct location, which for us is the United States. After that, you want to head over to the ad level. All right, so once you select the correct Facebook page, you want to head over to create ad, manual upload, and single image or video. You can paste in your landing page right here. Do not do the home page, do the landing page. After that, you want to set up creative. You want to upload your ad and select it. So we're going to do this. Do not trim it, do not crop it. For the primary text, it doesn't matter too much. I just asked ChatGPT to create a ad text for me, and it gave us a bunch of benefits. Do not include features in the primary text once again. After that, the headline, you can just state your offer. For us, we did sale at midnight, and then buy one, get one free. After that, you do not include in the description, but you can include a call to action being shop now. After that, make sure you turn off all the enhancements, which are fairly useless. And after that, you should be good to go. Bam, there we have it. The full ad right here, making sure that you have your pixel selected correctly and everything looks good. After that, you can duplicate the ad over here on the left-hand side to however many ads that you do have. So let's say you're launching 3 ads, which I recommend you launch 3 to 5. Let's say you're launching 3 ads and you have one right here. You want to duplicate it twice and then replace the videos for the other 2. So you have a total of 3 ads then. So that's exactly how you do it. And then once you're ready, you can press the publish button and you should be good to go. After 2 to 3 days of leaving it running, you know exactly what to do. If it's profitable, you continue to scale and launch more ads, but what if it's not? And that's where the final step comes in, and it could take you all the way to $1 million. Scaling is where all the money is made, and this is also the part where people abandon their stores and lose a ton of money. I used to try so many different methods on how to actually scale up a store, whereas trying different CBOs, trying different ABOs, different ad strategies, whatever it is, I tried everything, but nothing really sticks. Scaling only works if you know what's broken and what's working. If you're not actively looking back at your data and analyzing it, you're basically playing a guessing game. Facebook and Shopify give you metrics for a reason, and you have to take advantage of them. So here's a few things to look for whenever you're scaling up a store. Let's say you have low added cart rate on your Shopify. That probably means your landing page isn't congruent to your ads, or you don't have an aggressive enough offer. So in that scenario, I'll switch up the landing page or even your offer. If you have high CPC, which is cost per click on Facebook ads, that probably means your creatives are not good. I'll make another batch of creatives in a different angle or different ad style and see how that does. If you have a low conversion rate, that probably means the customer's journey is not very good. There's probably something going on in the cart or checkout page, which I'll check out. Or low conversion rate can also mean your added cart rate is low as well. So I'll take a look at your landing page as well as offer. And let's say you have an ad that's super profitable, double down on that style, whether that's through that angle or the creative style. Troubleshooting is by far the most important part that's missed out on ecom. And if you're emotional with your store, you're just not going to be able to scale it to $1 million. I'm telling you, just after a couple tries of doing this, you can have your store looking like mine. But if you want more help on scaling and actually implementing these systems that are proven to work, click the first link in the description to apply for my one-on-one mentorship.